Dear students, come and watch the solution of the assignments having 0.5 marks given on vector algebra. First question is, find the area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are determined by the vectors. Vector A is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and vector B is equal to 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. When we solve this problem, first we write, given that adjacent sides of a parallelogram are determined by the vectors A is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and vector B equal to 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. To find the area of the parallelogram, first we have to find the cross product vector A cross vector B, which is equal to determinant of modulus of I cap, j cap, k cap, a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. Then the required area is equal to modulus of a vector A cross vector B square units. Now vector A cross vector B is equal to I cap, j cap, k cap. Then putting the value of a1, a2, a3, 1, 2, 3. See the problem, 3 minus 2, 1. So this is equal to, now evaluating this determinant, I cap 2 plus 6 minus j cap 1 minus 9 plus k cap minus 2 minus 6, which is equal to 8 I cap plus 8 j cap minus 8 k cap. Then the required area is equal to square root of 8 square plus 8 square plus minus 8 square units. So this is equal to square root of 64 plus 64 plus 64 square units. So this is equal to square root of 64 into 3 square units. So this is equal to 8 into root over 3 square units. This is the answer. That is the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are determined by the vectors A and B is 8 into root over 3 square units. Next question is, find the area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle whose two adjacent sides are determined by the vectors A equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap and vector B equal to minus 4 I cap plus 6 j cap. Here given that vector A equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap and vector B equal to minus 4 I cap plus 6 j cap, area of the given triangle is equal to half modulus of vector A cross vector B square units. This is the formula. Now vector A cross vector B is equal to, see the value of A and B, vector A and B, I cap, j cap, k cap, 3, 2, 0. The coordinate of k cap is 0. Then minus 4, 6, 0. So this is equal to I cap 2 into 0 0 minus 6 into 0 0 minus j cap 3 into 0 0 minus plus 0 minus 4 into 0, that is plus 0, plus k cap 3 into 6 18 minus 2 minus 4 into 2 minus 8, that is minus of minus 8 plus 8. So this is equal to 26 k cap. Then required area according to formula. So this is equal to half into modulus of vector A cross vector B. So this is equal to half square root of 26 whole square, that is square units. This is equal to half into 26 square units. So this is equal to 13 square units. Question number 3. Question number 3 is find the area of a parallelogram whose diagonals are determined by the vectors A equal to 3 cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap and vector B is equal to I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. Now when the diagonals are given, the required area, the formula of the required area is half modulus of vector A cross vector B square units. So likewise the question number 1, you have to solve this problem, and the answer of question number 3 is 5 into root 3 square units. So try to solve this problem. Question number 4 is, if A cap and B cap are unit vectors and theta is the angle between them, prove that sin theta by 2 equal to half modulus of A cap minus B cap. We have, the solution is, we have modulus of A cap minus B cap square is equal to A cap minus B cap into A cap minus B cap. So this is equal to A cap into A cap plus B cap into B cap minus 2 A cap into B cap. So this is equal to the scalar, in case of the scalar multiplication, A cap into A cap 1 plus B cap into B cap 1 minus 2 into 1 unit vector 1 into cos theta, as A cap into A cap equal B cap into B cap is equal to 1. Now this is equal to 2 minus 2 cos theta. So taking 2 as common, 1 minus cos theta. So this is equal to 2 into, the formula for 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. So this is equal to 4 sin square theta by 2. Now this implies sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 4 modulus of A cap minus B cap square. So this implies sin theta by 2 is equal, taking the square root, 1 by 2 mod A cap minus B cap. Hence proved. Do you understand me? So next was the Question number 5. The position vectors of the points A, B, C and D are 4i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap, 5i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, 2i cap minus 2j cap minus 3k cap, and 4i cap minus 4j cap plus 3k cap respectively, so that AB and CD are parallel. Now here position vectors of A is equal to 4i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap. Position vector of B is equal to 5i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Position vector of C is equal to 2i cap minus 2j cap minus 3k cap. And position vector of D is equal to 4i cap minus 4j cap plus 3k cap. Now we have to find AB and CD. Now AB is equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A. So this is equal to position of vector B 5i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap minus 4i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap. Minus, if we multiply the minus sign in 4i cap, in 3j cap and minus k cap, we will get these values. So this is equal to I cap 5i cap minus 4i cap, 2i cap minus 3j cap, that is minus j cap, 2k cap plus k cap plus 3k cap. Then CD equal to position vector of D minus position vector of C. So this is equal to 4i cap minus 4j cap plus 3k cap minus 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So this is equal to 4i cap minus 2i cap minus 4j cap plus 2j cap minus 2j cap, 3k cap plus 3 cap plus 6k cap. So this is equal, if we take 2 common, I cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. So here AB is equal to I cap minus j cap plus 3k cap, and CD is equal to 2 whole into I cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. So this implies AB, this implies CD is equal to 2AB. CD is equal to 2AB. So this implies AB and CD are parallel. So this implies AB and CD are parallel. Question number 5. Question number 6. So that the points A whole into 2, 6, 3, B whole into 1, 2, 7 and C whole into 3, 10, minus 1 are collinear. So that the points are collinear, we have to find the position vectors first. So here OA, vector OA is equal to 2i plus 6j plus 3k. OB is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 7k cap. OC vector OC is equal to 3I cap plus 10j cap minus k cap. Now we have to find AB and AC. Now AB is equal to OB, vector OB minus vector OA. Vector AB is equal to vector OB minus vector OA. So this is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 7k cap minus 2I cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap. So this is equal to I cap minus 2I cap plus 2j cap minus 6j cap plus 7k cap minus 3k cap. So this is equal to minus I cap minus 4j cap plus 4k cap. Then vector AC equal to OC, vector OC minus vector OA. So this is equal to 3I cap plus 10j cap minus k cap minus 2I cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap. So this is equal to 3I cap minus 2I cap plus 10j cap minus 6j cap plus minus k cap minus 3k cap. So this is equal to I cap plus 4j cap minus 4k cap. Now vector AB is equal to minus I cap minus 4j cap plus 4k cap. So if you take minus common, I cap plus 4j cap minus 4k cap. Here SC is equal, vector SC equal to I cap plus 4j cap minus 4k cap. So this implies SC, vector SC equal to minus vector AB equal to minus S, minus S. Vector AB is equal to minus S. Here this implies vector AB and AC have a common point A and also have the common support. Vector AB and vector SC have a common point A and also have a common support. Therefore, A, B, C are collinear. Henceforth, this much. Thank you.